Alright you guys, I made it into Costco. So here we have the Dyson Airwrap. Everything you're gonna get if you don't have one, it is $480. And the 11th of May. There we go. There we go. I just still cannot see myself buying this for $480. That's just me, because like that's like a car payment. And you know, these candles are really, really nice, and they're $50. Let me walk over here. These are going to be $80, $20 off, and May 11th, $27, and $15 cooling body pillow. And if you need back support, you guys, this is $29.99. And then next to me, the Fun Patterns charcoal memory foam. It could be a good nap or two, you know, if you got the grandchildren over. Maybe lay as a topper in your twin bed. It might be kind of small though, but 55. I'm thinking college, but for 55, yeah, just buy a. Okay, look at these towels. These are new. I think these are $8.99. They have these blue ones in Walmart, but they're like $5 over there. But these might be larger. It's 100% cotton, you guys. Not polyester. I'm not gonna smell. Because, you know, 100% cotton, I always make fun of it because it's like hard to find. And a lot of people complain about it too. This is $7 on the bath towel. Look how they fold. I cannot fold like that.
Let's see how they do.
Oh,
they just pinch the tip and fold. Okay,
I was. And then you want all white right here. These are $14. $97. Did this go up in price? Didn't this used to be about like $87 on the wagon? Or I'm thinking Sam's Club.
Maybe Sam's.
Sam's has a wagon. This is $350. I think Sam's might be $250 to $300. But I honestly don't remember it being this price in the Costco when that little girl was playing the Plinko. It's funny. Okay, Costco brought back these strawberries. 1 pound, 4 ounce, $15, $14.99. Must be for Mother's Day. But I do feel like for Valentine's Day, you did get more for $16. And they just wrote Mom on tuxedo chocolate mousse cake, $18. Again, the Fugglers, they are here for $18. And I'm pretty sure you could find them online as well. I did share them in the previous video. $15.99. We got the shade here. Here we go. Here's everything. $15.99. Cushion for the tushy, $35 right here. Good for the office as well. The jump starter, we were just talking about that. $59.99. A portable power bank, yeah. Because I feel my daughter's been leaving the dang cord in the plugged in, and I think it's draining our batteries. Every time I turn the car, it's kind of taking a while. It doesn't take a while, it goes on, but it's like slow, you know. This is the air pump one. Dash cam right here, $120. Hey, this could be great for a graduation gift. You know, somebody with a who's graduating. Do you get 2 or 1?
Looks like you
4K
get 2.
dual. Ooh.
Maybe it's just
front and back.
Maybe
No,
just get 1.
it says dual.
Yeah, so it's on both sides. So
Oh, okay.
I think you just get 1.
120. Detection function, collision sensor, shoots in 4K. But you know, there's so many people who are scamming now. Arizona has become a place where you don't even want to drive on the freeway. Light turns green, honk. You don't turn fast enough when there's a car in front of you, honk. It's like, dude. And then
back into California.
And then everyone has road rage so bad here now. I've never seen it like this. I know people have road rage, but I've never seen where they just straight up come out of the car and just want to fight.
Yeah, saw that quite a few times.
You think this really works? This is new. Hard water spots, scratches. $12.99, and you get 12. Oh, they had the large one here today. $85. Bacardi Paradise, $17. $1.45. Finney's shop. These are $13.79. $5.11.
Are they cloth? Are they paper? No, they're paper. They're Scott.
They used to be like close to 18, but your limit is 3. $18.99 ends on the 12th of May. They got the vent flow on it. This bad boy, I'm not gonna turn it on, but you know it does quite a bit. $28 ends on the 15th. If you need to see a field in the forest, turn this on. Yeah, I'm not looking. Get out of here. And $29.99. I mean, that is pretty bright. This is a security light. Is this a solar one? But damn, that's pretty light, right? Oof. And the solar one, not as bad, you know. $20 ends June. 1st of June savings here in the Costco. Oh look, nobody wants these anymore. The rope lights. They're $7.97 now.
Well, I could see again all there.
I mean, you could put these behind your desk, stuff like that. But these are so cheap right now.
Oh yeah.
They used to be like, weren't these like 40?
Yeah, they're pretty expensive.
These are 50.
How many feet are they?
18. And $20 right here, and it's June 1st.
One thing I hate is if
Okay, we have organic rolled oats, $6.79, ends May 11th. Limit is 5. These are great in smoothies. Finally, in the Costco, we got the Fugglers. Do you want this? With their teeth? The teeth?
yeah, that's weird they have them here.
I know.
We got a nasty one over there.
This one with the molar teeth. Look
These
at
look
the
like the
teeth.
things from that Quiznos commercial, the dead rats.
Oh, yeah. These are $18 on the Fugglers. Guys, this is a pretty good deal because you do get 2 for $35. One in Walmart is $25 only for one, so you might as well just get 2. I had the Lash Paradise here. Your limit is 5. It's $18.50, ends on the 18th. $25 women's stripe lounge set. So here's what it looks like. Max and Mia. Got like purple stripes to get some joggers. They have it in that purple color, the green, and there is a beige. Let me walk on this side. Eddie Bauer's this more lounge set, 2-piece sleep set, $15.99. Let me find, here's one. The pant and the shirt, okay. Now the hammock chair, $10 off. It's gonna be $40, ends on the 11th. But what's really cool about the hammock chair now, they added this leg piece. So you can swing and swing your legs at the same time, which I think is just kind of funny in a way. $7.89, ends May 11th, no limit. These are new, they're $8.29. 100% plant-based snacks, Chipotle Himalayan salt, 100% whole grain. And $9.39. This one's new. Filipino style stir fry noodles, veggies, and sauce. New. $20. 10-in-1 multitasking spray by Pantene. Miracle Rescue. Alright, you guys, I believe this is it for the Costco. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe out there. Oh my gosh, this line is long. I gotta get in line. You gotta get in line. I could do it. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.